Okay, so this is the Taprite 950. I'm at a Red Lobster. The bottom plate is cracked and leaking. I've already took out most of the screws. As you can see, it's ready to blow. So the first thing you want to do is go down here and you want to turn off each of the shutoffs. Off, like so. And you just go down the line and do each one. And that's why right there, you see. So after you've done that step, you'll come up here and you'll see you'll pull out all the screws. I've already took them all out except for one. And you want to make sure there's no pressure on the Bargun. You know, check that. I've already done that, obviously. Set this over here. Okay. Now we're going to take out this last bottom screw. Now be careful because there's springs under here. She's not under pressure right now. And I have my new one up, ready to go. It's a very simple fix, as long as you do it right. Okay, and I'll take my little screwdriver. I'm going to pull this right off here. So you got to pull it out. It's got little O-rings on the bottom. Now you got a bunch of springs that are going to pop out. See? You got to take the springs off of this one. Put them on that one. Very carefully. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if I can reposition here. There we go. Taking the springs off the old one. I'm going to set my gun to the side, but I'm not going to tip it upside down because I don't want the plungers to come out. So we keep it that way. Just change all the springs. When you first take it off, you want to be real careful, because it's not like the Wonder Bar where the head springs will fly out. Once you get it loose, these are pretty good, but you don't want springs flying everywhere, especially into the ice bins. And you got to burn all the ice out so nobody chokes on a spring. Okay, so you see I just took the springs off. Boom, boom. See how that was seeping through? She was all cracked up. That's the old one. It's been hit too many times. You'll notice the water adjustment screw right here. Adjust one side of the water. So you'll notice that. So then what you do is make sure that you got this notch facing up. You don't want to try to fight it. The way I do this is I turn it kind of sideways so I can get the screws in there. Kind of try to line them up with all the plungers. Kind of make sure they're all centered. And then boom, and push it in. It's a tight fit. Make sure you got all the springs. And you want to get these screws in. You want to start in the center, top center. Just kind of snug it. You never want to over tighten these screws. You over tighten these screws, you're just asking for problems. It's just gonna crack. Just snug it. And then I go right down here. Once I get the two center screws in, boom, and I'll position the rest of these like so. It should lock in like a puzzle piece. I've seen people use a drill on these, and I don't like to risk it. I'll just use my good old-fashioned elbow grease. lot of people use a power driver. I believe in hands-on with these things. All right, and then I just snug them each down, just a hair. Okay, I take my little screwdriver to snug them up. That big one there, you over tighten it, you crack this bottom plate. Voila. Voila. See that? All done. Now we're gonna go down here. Rinse my hands off. Go down here. We'll just turn each one of these back on. Like so. Boom. Just go right down there. Kind of hard to turn. I'm gonna be real careful with them because anything plastic you want to be careful with. I'm still new at this. I've only been doing this for 20 years. There's usually some needle nose. So I'm not pushing out on the pushing out right now. So I usually use my needle nose. I was using my channel locks, I don't know. These are this is a bulky gun. No offense, I personally prefer a Wonder Bar, even though they have a lot of leaking issues at the butt nowadays. As you see, you start from down here and work up, it actually works out better. But I was just kind of checking the flavor that was leaking. Do this end first. And there you go, she's fixed. Pretty cool gun. Pretty cool looking. But there you go, there you have it. Place the bottom plate. The Taprite. $9.50. Red Lobster. And put it all back in there and put it together. Right. And learned something out of this today. Have a good one.